Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Employee Navigator Agent. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Employee Navigator Agent, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser in search bar, you have to search for Employee Navigator Agent Login. And after searching for that option, now what you can do is just tap on the first option which is Employee Navigator Home. And after tapping on that option, now what you have to do is tap on the login option which is on the top right corner of your screen, and now you have to enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just simply tap on login and you will successfully log into your account. But if you don't have an account, you just have to tap on register a new user and you can create a new account. Or if it shows you an error like you have entered a wrong password, you can easily reset or recover your password and also recover your username by typing on forgot username or by typing on forgot password. So just simply change your password, and after changing your password, come back to this login page and just enter the password that you have changed and then tap on login. After doing that, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Employee Navigator Agent. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.